The increasing number of consumer 3D printers has been nothing short of revolutionary. From designers and engineers to hobbyists, tinkerers, and even schools, these remarkable gadgets have unleashed creativity and ingenuity. Over the years, PC Labs has tested and assessed over 60 different 3D printers, encompassing a wide range of applications, print methods, and user requirements. If you're fond of knowing more about 3D printing and which machines stand out, then this video is for you. We are going to review some of the best large format 3D printers, so make sure to stick around until the end. Don't forget to subscribe to Legit Pick, switch on notifications, and let's get right into the video. Number 7. Original Prusa MK4 3D Printer. The MK4 is the newest version of the flagship 3D printing workhorse, combining reliable performance with cutting-edge speed and simplicity. The printer features input shaper support for high-speed printing without sacrificing print quality. Additionally, the load cell sensor provides a flawless initial layer every time, eliminating the need for human adjustments. The DIY kit offers both a completely completed and tested version, as well as the option to build it yourself. The new Nextruder and 32-bit X-Buddy mainboard offer quality-of-life enhancements such as quick swap nozzles, remote printing, customized UI, and one-click operation. Prusa Research offers free Prusament PLA samples and supports the MK4 with lifetime technical help and 24-hour support. The MK4 is meticulously engineered for great results and ease of use. Redesigned parts, precise 0.9-degree stepper motors, and sturdier 10mm Z-axis rods provide better-looking prints, especially with tough filaments. The Nextruder features a colorful LCD with G-code previews, QR codes, and an RGB status bar for easy control. It also has quick-release thumb screws for quick nozzle swaps. Prusa Slicer's built-in tools quickly convert models to print files. Input shaper and pressure advanced technology reduce print times by up to 70% while remaining silent. Number 6. Creality Official Ender 3 V3 KE 3D Printer. The Creality Ender 3 V3 KE enhances desktop 3D printing with quick performance and professional-grade functionality. This printer can print at speeds of up to 500 mm per second, reducing printing time while maintaining clean and detailed results. It is ideal for manufacturers who prioritize speed and precision. The Sprite Direct Extruder has a 60-watt ceramic heater, a bimetal heat break, and a copper nozzle capable of reaching temperatures of 300 degrees Celsius. This powerful system can handle a wide range of materials, from PLA to PETG to ABS, TPU, and ASA, providing smooth filament feeding and consistent results every time. The Ender 3 V3 KE printer is built for stability and convenience, making printing easy for everyone. The X-axis is precise and steady thanks to a robust steel linear rail and dual Z-axis lead screws. The Y-axis has two wear-resistant steel shafts for long-lasting reliability. The 25-point CR Touch auto-leveling technology simplifies first-layer adjustments, saving time and hassle, particularly for novices. The Ender 3 V3 KE offers easy leveling, several printing methods, and a construction designed for consistent accuracy, making high-speed, high-quality 3D printing more accessible than ever. The only downfall is that it makes loud noises sometimes. Also, the plate adhesion wears away quickly, requiring glue to repair it. Number 5. Bambu Lab A1 Mini 3D Printer. The Bambu Lab A1 Mini is a high-speed, compact 3D printer with features that outperform others in its class. With an acceleration of 10,000 mm per second squared, it generates prints at blazing speeds without losing precision and detail, something many competitors struggle to balance. While the popular Prusa Mini is known for reliability and superb quality, it usually maxes out at lower speeds and requires more hands-on adjustments. The A1 Mini's full auto-calibration automatically adjusts Z-offset, bed leveling, and other settings, providing professional-grade results with no effort. The A1 Mini stands out for its innovative features and user-friendly design. This printer's multicolor printing with AMS Light allows for colorful, professional-grade models, which most printers in this price range cannot do without additional modifications. This machine is faster, smarter, and more adaptable than its competitors. It has active flow rate correction for faultless layer, a one-clip quick swap nozzle for easy maintenance, and whisper quiet operation at 48 dB. If you want the best compact 3D printer in this price range, the A1 Mini is the apparent choice. The printer has a few limitations. The print bed is relatively small, which may limit the size of your designs. The touchscreen control panel also feels tight, making navigating less comfortable. Furthermore, printing with several colors produces extra filament waste, which may reduce overall efficiency. Number 4. Elegoo Neptune 4 Plus 3D Printer. The Neptune 4 Plus is designed for designers who want speed, size, and precision in one powerful machine. The Clipper firmware allows for speeds of up to 500 mm per second and accelerates accelerations of up to 12,000 millimeters per second squared, making it ideal for rapid prototyping using high-speed filament. The printer's huge build capacity of 320 by 320 by 380 millimeters enables printing of large models or several smaller components simultaneously, opening up new creative possibilities. The input shaping, pressure advance, and built-in acceleration sensors on both X and Y axes automatically calibrate for vibration, offering astonishing detail and precision at high speeds. The Neptune 4 Plus is designed for versatility and ease of use, with features to ensure that your prints are smooth and reliable. The dual-gear direct drive extruder provides continuous filament feeding, while the 300 degrees Celsius high-temp nozzle can handle a variety of materials, including PLA, PETG, ABS, and nylon. Enhanced with double-sided cooling fans and a specialized model blower, your prints remain sharp and warp-free. Connectivity choices include Wi-Fi, USB, and LAN, making it simple to start a project with a single key. Just keep in mind that this machine takes up a lot of room and does not come with filament out of the box, but for speed, precision, and build volume, the Neptune 4 Plus is difficult to beat. Number 3. FLASHFORGE AD5M 3D Printer. The AD5M's automatic one-click leveling technology simplifies setup and reduces frustration. It precisely detects the distance between the nozzle and the build plate, allowing you to set correct offsets without the need for manual calibration or other tools. The initial layer is always flawlessly smooth. The AD5M printer features a Core XY all-metal motion framework, allowing for high-speed printing without compromising stability or quality. The sturdy frame allows for smooth, low-noise operation even at high speeds, making it a trusted companion for both hobbyists and professionals. Maintenance and control are equally straightforward. With the unique quick-release nozzle, you may easily switch between 0.25mm, 0.4mm, 0.6mm, and 0.8mm diameters, enabling high precision and high efficiency printing. The Orca FlashForge Slicer allows you to submit batch files and monitor numerous printers. The FlashMaker app provides real-time status updates, remote modifications, and complete control from anywhere. In the event of a power outage, while printing, the AD5M will continue from where it left off. The flexible double-sided PEI steel plate allows for easy removal of your model, with one side suitable for common materials and the reverse specifically intended for PETG. Number 2. QIDI Plus 4 3D Printer. The QIDI X Plus 4 is designed for makers that require size, speed, and versatility in a single machine. With a generous 12 by 12 by 11 inch build space, you can print numerous models at once, increasing productivity and saving time. The X Plus 4 retains the X Plus 3's high-speed Core XY motion structure and produces fast, precise prints, making it a strong tool for pros as well as an easy option for beginners. The updated active chamber heating system now includes a 400-watt heating element, dual-layer installation, and air circulation, which helps to keep internal temperatures stable. This greatly decreases warping and cracking when printing with high-temperature materials. The X Plus 4 stands out for its strong engineering and sophisticated features. It includes an 80-watt high-temperature hot end capable of reaching 370 degrees Celsius, as well as a wear-resistant multi-metal nozzle designed to easily handle sophisticated materials like PPS, CF, ABS, ASA, PET, and PC. It provides remote printing, real-time monitoring, and time-lapse features with a QIDI mobile app and slicer, allowing you to go from box to first print in about 10 minutes. Improved hardware such as 2 Z-axis motors, a 6mm aluminum platform, and 10mm linear shafts provides long-term reliability and high-accuracy outcomes. In addition, the next QIDI box will feature multicolored printing, allowing for more creative, individualized patterns. Whether you're a maker, engineer, or enthusiast, the X Plus 4 provides a seamless, high-performance 3D printing experience. Number 1. Creality Hi Combo 3D Printer. The Creality Hi Combo is a significant advancement in multicolored 3D printing, surpassing previous upgrades. Its revolutionary method allows you to create visually appealing objects in up to 16 colors utilizing 4 color filament stations. These stations do more than just store your filaments in airtight chambers. They also manage automatic filament selection, switching, and relaying, resulting in colorful prints that do not require frequent manual intervention. Multi-material printing enables better support systems that can be easily removed or dissolved in water, resulting in a clean and smooth final model. The Hi Combo speed and intelligence elevate it to new heights. The step servo motors and FOC algorithms provide ultra-smooth motion and speeds of up to 500 mm per second, with a maximum acceleration of 12,000 mm per second squared. The built-in RFID reader detects filament kind and color, and auto bed leveling with 2 motorized lead screws assures accurate alignment. The device comes 95% pre-assembled and features a foldable 3.2-inch touchscreen, guided boot up, and built-in webcam for time-lapse photography and real-time monitoring, complete with with a privacy cap. The Creality Hi Combo excels in its class by combining inventiveness, speed, and ease of use. So there you have it. We've explored some of the most exciting and feature-packed 3D printers available right now. Which one are you planning to buy? Do you see yourself going for high-speed printing, multicolored creativity, or a larger build volume? And most importantly, which of these options feels the most affordable and practical for your projects? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more reviews, guides, and tips. Until next time.